Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some great information for you from Dave at his website, N9EWO, and I'll put a link to this particular page in the first comment below. It's a list of radios that never were. These are radio receivers and transceivers that were announced, but for some reason they never made it to the market. And he's got a bunch of them here. I didn't realize there were that many. I knew about a couple of them. Here's the AOR AR770. AOR makes some high-end receivers, and this was announced around 2010, 2013. It was going to be priced at over $3,000, which is not untypical for them, but it looks here very interesting. Here's another AOR. There's a LOWE HF-160, 1999 to 2000. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these. I'm going to let you go to his webpage, and you can see all of them. He's got a little bit of description about each one of them. That's kind of an interesting radio. Kind of looks familiar. Anyway, check it out. Dave does a fantastic job of reviewing radios and providing information about shortwave radios and transceivers. And he goes into a lot of detail. And he also tears them down and shows you what's inside. And he has reviews of recent radios, like the recent Sangean radio. Also, Jeff sent me an email and said, hey, the solar flux index jumped up again to 118. Oh my gosh, we haven't seen 118 in a year or two. So, boy, get your radios out, dust them off, hook up their antennas, and start listening to shortwave. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be really nice if you would subscribe. And have a great day. Bye-bye.